Hello and welcome to our project demonstration. Before we begin, we would like to express our thanks for your time despite the current epidemic. I am Jeremy and I will be covering the first part of this showcase, which will focus on the chatbot aspect. This part of the development included the implementation of the knowledge base and the use of the Rasa framework. In the second part, my groupmate Ravi will talk about the diagnosis model. The high-level idea of the chatbot is as follows. Our data source is from the MedBot dataset, which consists of hundreds of XML files from reliable institutions with information about various diseases. This was used to generate the questions to train MedBot to know what answers to look for in its knowledge base. After training, MedBot should be able to infer the disease of interest, and if the question is about symptoms, causes of disease, treatments, or etc. Let us see MedBot in action. Here we see a use case in which the user is interested to know about hyperthyroidism. We can see that MedBot accurately determines that the user wants to know about hyperthyroidism and that the user's intent is to query for general information. MedBot can also inform the users what question types it is capable of answering. Here, the user sees that MedBot can also provide treatment information. As with the previous question, MedBot answers it and cites the relevant source. In the event that MedBot does not know about a particular question type, MedBot will inform the users about what it can answer for them, or alternatively provide them a web search option. In this case, the user decides to continue his line of questioning by asking about symptoms. MedBot also tries to clarify the conversation, say, if the user misspells. Here we see the user misspelling hyperthyroidism. MedBot will provide some suggestions, and the user can continue his line of questioning.
Welcome to Part 2, Symptom Disease Predictor. Our predictor model takes a number of symptoms as input from the user and gives a list of predictions with probability. Data is from a study done by Columbia University of patient discharge summaries from a New York hospital. We are using Keras model with softmax activation in the output layer for this multi-class classification problem. Our web app is hosted on Heroku Cloud Platform using Streamlit App Framework. Let's have a look. This is the home page of our app. Either start typing in the box or choose from the drop-down menu for the symptoms you are interested in. Let's have a look at an example. Select few symptoms. Choose the top n predictions to list and check. Here is the output. 88.7% chances for having diabetes and few other diseases listed with a lower probability. Also, other symptoms associated with the predicted diseases are also listed here for your reference. If you have missed any, you can rerun the predictor with all symptoms for better results. Let's look at another example. Select few symptoms. Choose the top n predictions to list. Let's leave it at 4 and check. 98.1% chances for having hyperthyroidism and other associated symptoms